Hello and welcome to this channel. In this channel, we share our educational experiences and tips and tricks to help you study more effectively. In this video, we will be discussing 8 tips that can help you make the most of your educational journey. Let's get straight into the video. The first tip is to set clear goals. Before starting any educational program or course, it is important to have clear goals in mind. Setting clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your studies. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve and write down your goals. The second tip is to manage your time effectively. Time management is crucial for success in education. Create a schedule or a to-do list and stick to it. Make sure to prioritize your tasks and allocate enough time for studying, completing assignments, and other important activities. This will help you stay on track and avoid last-minute stress. The third tip is to stay organized. Keeping your study materials and notes organized is essential. Use folders or binders to store your papers, notes, and assignments. This will help you stay on top of your studies and avoid confusion. The fourth tip is to take breaks. Taking breaks is essential for maintaining focus and avoiding burnout. Make sure to take regular breaks during your study sessions and engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. This can include activities such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with friends and family. The fifth tip is to participate in discussions. Participating in class discussions, online forums, or study groups can help you better understand the material and improve your critical thinking and communication skills. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts and opinions and ask questions. The sixth tip is to ask for help when you need it. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers, tutors, or peers for assistance with difficult concepts or assignments. Asking for help is a sign of strength and can help you learn more effectively. The seventh tip is to review regularly. Regular review of the material can help you retain information and better understand the subject matter. Make a habit of reviewing your notes and materials at regular intervals. This will help you stay on top of the material and avoid cramming before exams. The eighth and final tip is to stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and engaged in your studies. This can be by setting rewards for yourself or finding a study partner to keep you accountable. Remember that education is a lifelong process, and staying motivated can help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, these 8 tips can help you make the most of your educational journey. Set clear goals, manage your time effectively, stay organized, take breaks, participate in discussions, ask for help, review regularly, and stay motivated. Remember, education is a lifelong process, and these tips can help you achieve your goals and become a lifelong learner. Please like and subscribe if you like our channel, and please do visit our Shorts page. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching.